Dear students, in today's module, we will be further exploring another group known as editing group in the home ribbon of Microsoft Word. So in this module, we will be focusing on topics like find, replace, go to, and selection. So let's start. We have opened the same document on which we were working in the previous modules, and here is the editing group. So here you can find different options like find, and this find is menu driven. This means that it can further expand to give you find, advanced find, and go to, then replace, and then select. So let's start with the find. So for example, if I want to find that in this document, I want to find whether the word however is available or not. So I have put however in the text box, and it has given me that there are 17 times the word however is written in this document. And if I want to move to any particular place, it has moved me to that particular place. And with this, you can move to previous and next places. So this is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is the last however in our document. And if I move upward, so this is the first however in my document. Then we will move to advanced find afterwards. The second thing is the replace. So if I want to replace however with because, for example, so I select replace button, and I said however should be replaced with because, and I said replace. So this replace will only replace the first occurrence of however word. So for example, you can see that this however is here, and if I put replace, the first however has been replaced, and now the cursor is showing the second however word. And if I want to do it again, so now it is showing the third one. And if I want to replace all of the however word with because word, I will press replace all. So it says that 15 more replacements have been done, and 2 replacements we did one by one. So there were total 17 words known as however. So if I click on find and advanced find, so this advanced find gives me the same button. It says find, replace, and go to. So that's why we are discussing it now, that you can do the same functionality using directly replace button or find and advanced find, and there you can find the replace. Then there is another option known as go to, which is also available over here, and this is also available over here. So in find, there is directly go to option, and if I go into advanced find, there is again go to option. So whatever you select, we go from here, for example, go to, and it says, okay, where you want to go. So this is a long document having 26 pages. I want to move to page number 11. So I will select from here page, and I will say page number 11. So this has moved me at the page number 11. So consider if this is a very large and huge document. So scrolling down with arrow keys to reach at, for example, page number 1011 would be very difficult, and you can just click go to and page number 1011, and it will shift you to that particular page. We have some other options, like if our document has different sections, so we can move to a particular section as well. We can move to particular line. So let's move to particular line. For example, if I say that in this document, I want to move to the line number 100. So you can see if you close this, the cursor is blinking over here. So this line is basically the 100th number line in this document. So you can see that this is the 100th number line. If I say like go to line number 3, so you can see that this is the line number 3. 1 number line, 2 number line, and 3 number line. So we have find, advanced find, go to, we can use replace, and there is another thing known as select. So if I want to select all of the text from here, I can press select all. So it will select all of the things. If there are different objects which we have not drawn yet, so to select those objects, we need to press this button. Then we will be able to select those objects from this document. Then if I want to select something similar, for example, if I say, I want to select any text in these 26 pages which have the same text formatting as we have over here. So I click on editing. I say select text with similar formatting. So whenever I select, it has selected all of the lines which have similar formatting. So let's try it over here. Select text with similar formatting. So you can see that here the formatting is same, but this, the word important and non-important has different formatting. So let's see what is the different. This is Times New Roman and this is italic. So you can see this is italic. So with this option, you can also see that whether all of the content has been written in the same way or different way. So you can see that there are different things which are not following the same formatting. Those are italic or having some different other things. So that's it from the editing group. Let's summarize today's module. We have experimented with editing group with find, replace, go to, and selection.